What is it instead of?
I'm trying!
What is it instead of?
It's so big! You're gonna break the window! Quit it!
Wait, I got you.
Oh, she's filming us! Walmart! Yeah, I'm not going without that.
What? Let's go see what's in there. Come on. Here, ready? Sneak in. Ready? Go look and see. Did you see snacks? Okay, put your hand in there, quick. Jacob!
Phenomenal!
You can't find your undies? That is a question I can't answer.
Two Texas. Because that's how you say it plural. But that's the best boat I've ever had. So easy to boof. Easy to freewheel, easy to splat, easy to boof. I was just like, did you see my boof in the Zen? That was the hardest boof stroke I've ever taken. And I got good, right? Did you boof? In the antique, I was like, try the boof. I just boofed normal. I was like, boom, splat, boom. I was like, backside to stomp it. I had to stomp it so I landed flat. And I didn't even land 45. I landed. Man, that's the best boat I've ever paddled.
We have 1 million boats to sell right now.
It just glides over stuff too. First, me, I
Can we do 2 more laps then?
I called you in this antics before this lap.
Can we do 2 more laps?
I called dibs on the second lap then. No, I do. No, I did. I called dibs.
Are we doing another lap?
No, we're doing one more lap.
Wait,
We can lap all day. We're not in a hurry.
What? He's not.
What? I don't remember you giving me undies, honey. I think you gave me shorts without undies.
I gave you
Okay.
Backwards. The boost stroke is this. Reach forward, and as you pull, lift your knees. Lift your knees. Look, you've got to lift your boat up. Reach all the way forward, lean forward, pull. And just lift your knees.
happened?
It started raining.
And what have we been doing ever since?
Nothing. Except for watching. Except for watching the rain.
Electronics. And what is broken?
Stupid TV.
Yeah, we can't even watch a movie.
I think it's because of the rain.
Really? It won't even turn on though. Like it turns on and then it turns right back off. What did I say just before I turned on this camera?
To act like normal kids.
Yes. Do you hear the rain?
Hey, why the car like
Kobe!
Wait, are you gonna put this
Kobe, what has it been doing all day? Are you tired of rain?
Not raining, pouring.
What would you do?
I was like, go to the point. We can go in the pouring rain. Yeah. And ruin puddles. No, the puddles will not be ruined. Rain's not ruined, puddles won't be ruined.
This level, did people say that you can get shoved under the left wall?
Now this ledge is undercut.
Undercut.
It's undercut here too.
Undercut.
Yeah.
It feels really good right now.